You will not search for a private trainer for your dog. Train your dog yourself now. Link in the first comment. Why dog licks paws? Cleaning. Dogs lick their paws to clean them. This is especially common after they've been outside or if they've gotten something dirty on their paws. Comfort. Licking can be a self-soothing behavior for dogs. If they're feeling stressed or anxious, they may lick their paws as a way to calm themselves down. Medical condition. In some cases, paw licking can be a sign of a medical condition, such as allergies or an infection. If your dog is licking their paws excessively, it's important to take them to the vet to rule out any medical problems.